Welcome back, kindergarten friends. So, yesterday you had the chance to write a story of three things that you could see from one object. So, some of you might have chosen a toy, some of you might have chosen some food. I can't wait to see the different items that you may have chosen. Remember, I chose to look at my crayon box, and my sentence said, I can see the crayons, I can see the pencil, I can see the eraser. So I started drawing a little bit to show you, to give you an idea of what it is that we mean when we say you really need to zoom in on those details. So if I was looking at my pencil box and it looked just like that, that is what I have to draw. It's like I'm almost here and I'm looking right down on top of it. I'm not going to draw it from this side or this side. I'm going to draw it from looking right at the top. And I have to draw the details of what it is that I saw. Oops. So the first one that I said was that I can see the crayons. So I look here in my crayon box. I'm going to take my lid off so that I can get it in the camera. And these are the crayons that I have to write. You can see I've already did this pencil. I've already done that pencil. So now it's time for me to kind of draw some of these crayons that I see. So I was working on this pencil right here. Those are the little lines that I see in the pencil. And then I see this little silver or gold part right there. And that has some lines that go this way. And then I can see it has that pink eraser. Now it's time for me to draw some crayons on top of that. Do you see how this purple crayon is kind of going over top? So I'm going to draw this purple crayon. I see that it's shaped like a rectangle. I can see a little bit of the crayon coming out here, and I can see the tip of the crayon. Looks like that. I see these black lines in the crayon on that paper. There was one black line, two black lines, and then I see it on the bottom too. So I want to make sure I draw that. Right next to that, there's that silver crayon, this crayon right here. So I'm going to draw that silver crayon now. Remember, I'm focusing on the details. So I see my crayon, and it's actually a little bit taller on the top and a little bit shorter on the bottom. But it's got the top right there and the bottom. And this one has this black word in the middle that says Crayola. I'm going to try to write Crayola, but if that was really hard for you, I would at least expect to see this black circle right there. I would expect to see those lines in the paper again. So I have a bunch of crayons that I need to decorate in here. I also have to make sure I put the right color along with my pencil and an eraser. So here's my eraser, and I can see that it goes this way, and then it goes up, and it goes back over and back down, and that's pink. I have to disturb my crayon box now because I need to use all of my colors. But before I do that, I'm going to make sure that I add some more details in here. I'm not going to do that on the camera though. That's something that I'm going to do on my time alone. So today, you're going to pull out that paper that you had yesterday. You're going to reread your sentences, and then you're going to focus on the details of that one object that you had. Remember, it's just one object, and you're really focusing in on exactly what you see with that object. Make sure when you submit your work today that it has the sentence and the picture so we can see that both of them still match. And then we'll see you tomorrow for our newest writing lesson. Have a great day.